Sorkar Mikraya mentaka sengi ka sipotrik naitung aja pusan kala menjul ya Mikraya Phlim tourism polisi aja pusan. Kini kepusi kalong ban kenti kam jengok kai ka Jylla bat ban pelong ya Mikraya ko mekar khana china Phlim ka bapau na ma kani ka tan stay lam ngi ka India. Hakani ke polisi dan ka Phlim facilitation cell ban penyasno ya kitanat Baper jeng tina Sorkar kenang ban kenti ya kam china Phlim ke ban yarangkat hakari berkepertai. No aiktin ke Sorkar Jylla ba pol ndol wa yatu bagi no china Phlim kin yo jing rap nak Sorkar hak bagi tu ki basna hakitin kari bat bari ki bala ban kenti ya ke kam chingok ka jeng Mikraya kin yo jing rap hadu si Klur tengka bat kidai ban ring ru kumbah nyau pusan presiden hakani ke Jylla nak bentar ki no china Phlim kan ke Jylla pat ke Sorkar kan aji rap san paulak tengka bat kin yo jing rap ru man ka asnem bat ki basna ya ke TV serial ru kin yo jing rap na kan ke Skhim.
For anybody, as I mentioned, we are supporting local filmmakers to the tune of 50 lakhs for each movie made in local indigenous languages, and each such filmmaker will avail incentive once every 2 years, meaning this 50 lakhs, the amount of 50 lakhs will be accessible to that filmmaker once every 2 years, to the same filmmaker. In the category of national and international films, in order for filmmakers to be eligible, they have to have at least 75% of the total shooting days of the movie within Meghalaya. And that also has to be outdoor. I mean, not in some hotel, not in some resort, for the obvious reason that we want to depict Meghalaya and its natural beauty to the outside world. Films made in major Indian languages, meaning you can have a Meghalayan also making such a movie. But obviously there'll be more. A Kannada filmmaker would come from outside. You don't expect somebody from Soyang to make a film in Canada.
But English.
Okay. English is for everybody. Are supporting local film industry, one. Two, we are also incentivizing national films. Say films shot in major national languages, whenever they come to Meghalaya, and as I mentioned, the number of days, we will be providing subsidy support where they qualify by having at least 75% of the total shooting days here in Meghalaya. And as you are aware, we also have announced the creation of film studio, and to also support private individuals. We have in fact repeatedly called for interested filmmakers to participate. There is an online application system. All details are in this booklet. Already started a conversation with a few interested groups. So in the initial year, we plan to cover this state capital of Shillong and the district headquarters, Nongpo, Jawai, Tura. So as and when there are takers, we will take the conversation forward. It's already part of this policy, so I would request you to go through this policy. It's all, everything has been properly documented in this policy.